I have a fun video to share with you today. I don't know if you've seen these snippet rolls that Shara Crane makes, but I wanted to share with you how I have created these. If you want the full tutorial, you can go ahead and purchase that from her website. I'll link it down below. I really wanted to share with you how I had come up with a creative way to find materials to use in my snippets. And it has created the most beautiful color coordinating strips of material for me to use alongside of my Halloween crafting with this Paige Evans collection, this Sweet and Spooky. Here's one way I've already put it to use. I've got this dangle created with this fun snippet tied to the top. I've created a little snippet bookmark on the top of this one. You see there how that looks all in. I love adding texture to my paper crafting, and this really has given a super cute way to create these snippet rolls and add immediate texture to any project. So here is where an unusual source that I think you will find I got my materials from. Old Navy. I was shopping at Old Navy with my daughter for some clothes, and I came across the baby clearance section, and there were all these adorable patterns. So what I did was I purchased these. They were all under $5 each. Most of them were around $2 or $3. This is the back of this onesie sleeper that I cut the back out. So I still actually have this zipper on the front that I could possibly incorporate into its own project, because that might just be like a 12 by 12 size. I'll have to see what I can do with that zipper. If you have any ideas, let me know. This was the first pattern that I saw that was the cutest material, that really was the start of it all. It got me looking for more patterns because I just loved these cute little ghosts, pumpkins, and bats. These were a fun pair of pants, not Halloween specific, probably maybe holiday specific, but this iridescent material I thought was a really great texture and shine to add. The other things that I used were, if you watched my unboxing for the Michael's Halloween grab bags, this gorgeous ribbon came in its box. I can link that video for you if you want to see the whole unboxing. I just loved that little ghost ribbon. Another recent unboxing that I did from Serena B, a Halloween Happy Mail, had these two gorgeous trims, and I incorporated them. That's what I used for these little pumpkins and spider webs. I just created individual little embellishments out of that. The other find I bought on the same day, this was all, I bought the tutorial and the materials and created everything all at once. I was at a uniform store and they had these scrubs with this pink that I liked with the black, and I thought it was a great match. It was marked down so many times to $10, finally to $5 when I bought it. It is the XXXXL. So it was the biggest piece of material I could get for $5. And I cut out the back of it. The one thing that I really liked about this as well is this pink on black stitching. I just cut a single strip out of this as well and incorporated that into my snippet rolls. So now that you've seen that, you can start to see where I have used those. There's an example there of the black. There's that iridescent material. This is just a ribbon that I really like. This is a tulle with black polka dots. This is a sparkly sequin trim that I have. I've sewn in some individual little sequins as well. So you can see there's lots of special details. I've stitched in some bows from Amy Tangerine. I've pinned on a dangle charm with just a safety pin. I have also created some with these brads on there as well. I'm going to see this whole, there's another brad. So you can really see, lace is another thing that I used. So that is that. I did pick up one material for Christmas that I am going to create some Christmas snippet rolls, and that is this gorgeous onesie that had this really cute pattern that I thought I would be able to incorporate into a really cute Christmas onesie. So that I love a lot. So it seems like I've been doing a lot of Halloween lately. These are the whimsical houses that were sent to me by Serena B in a recent Happy Mail. I actually created whimsical houses for her as well. If you would like to see those videos, I will leave them for you here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.